Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. Today we're just going to do a quick unboxing video on some special items that I picked up from the YouTuber ChumpChangeXD. Make sure to check out his channel, like and subscribe. I'll have it linked down in the description. And then I'm also going to bring you along while I go pick up a new 3070 RTX Founders Edition that I got from the last Best Buy drop on 2/9 and I picked it up on 2/18. So hopefully we're gonna get another Best Buy drop this week. So stay tuned, make sure to have your alerts on. Let's get those cards. But first, let's spin that intro. All right, I just want to do a quick unboxing from an exciting new item that I just received the other day from ChumpChange. If you haven't already, make sure to go check him out. I'll put links in the description as always. Go subscribe, follow his content, join us over at Misfit Mining, the whole shebang. There's plenty of people in there willing to help you. Let's take a look at this thing. I'm going to try the one-hand unbox method and see how it works. Ooh, hurricane fans. Nah, it's not gonna be hurricane fans. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? I need a big fancy unboxing knife like Tech Shinji has. We're using a box cutter because that's how fancy we're riding. This one-handed thing really is harder than it looks on camera. All right, let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Nice little paper fillers. Good job, ChumpChange. I appreciate that. Now this is completely unexpected. This is not what I was having him send me. Whoa. This is a DROK meter box for your power meter. Custom 3D printed, specially from ChumpChange. Very nice. I was only expecting a certain item that's inside of here. Let's try the other hand to get this open. Much more respect for all you one-hand openers out there on these YouTube videos. A lot harder than it looks. This is what I was expecting to receive in the mail. Not the actual power meter box, but I do actually have some DROK meters coming. I ordered 2 of them that from DROK King online, and I still haven't received them yet. This was what I was expecting to get. These are hand printed from his 3D printer via ChumpChange. Check these things out. Focus. There it is. ChumpChangeXD. Fan clips for my rig. Look at these things. These are sweet. This is why everybody should buy a 3D printer or know somebody who's awesome with a 3D printer. ChumpChange, you're the best, buddy. I owe you one. This box looks amazing. I'm gonna hook up a new meter with it. Space Goats, I also have yours still waiting to hook up. Oh, I just realized there are 2 boxes of these things. I got black, I got red. Look at this. This is amazing haul, dude. If you're wondering what these things are fan clips where you hook your multiple fans together to go across the fronts or the backs of your rigs, and then you connect with your end pieces to your rig. And there's one of my end pieces. These things are so cool. This will have a meter that goes right here. This is where your outlet goes, so you plug your power in here, and then you'll have a nice display out right here with your current watts and what they're running. And here's the box, and I happen to have the fancy grommets that go in these already, so that's pretty sweet too. Space Goats, when he sent me one, he sent it with the grommet already in it. I actually have a whole bag of those grommets. I have a couple more DROK meters coming. And now I've got these beautiful fan clips to add to my mining rig. All right, let's jump over and check out our Best Buy pickup, baby. It's another great day. Off to Best Buy to pick up another card. I only got a RTX 3070 Founders, but we'll take it. We'll take it. The last one I got is a Champ. It runs at 63.8 mega hash all day long on only 131 watts. It runs beautifully. I'm hoping I hit another silicon lottery with this one, and hopefully it does some good hash power as well. And then we'll be reloading, and hopefully we can hit the next Best Buy drop. All right, we've arrived. We are here at Best Buy for our pickup, the best place to buy. Another day, another pickup. Bring us out our RTX 3070. We're out here waiting for curbside pickup. Generally only takes a few minutes. We already did the check-in with the app, easy peasy. We put in our vehicle description and what number we're in, and the guy should be out shortly. Oh! The Eagle has landed. Well, there you have it, a couple of premium items, some brought to you from Best Buy, some brought to you from Chump Change. All amazing items. I can't wait to get that 3070 Founders Edition hooked up and paired with the other 3070 Founders Edition I have. The other one is an absolute tank. It runs at 63.8 mega hash on 131 watts all day. No invalid shares, no rejected, just pure profit. That thing is amazing, and I'm hoping that this 3070 Founders Edition can hold a candle. So keep working, keep grinding, keep getting those cards. Thanks for coming along, and enjoy the ride.